Our position is that this declaration should be disregarded by the international community and should be declared null and void by the head of the UNMIC mission there. So this is where it stands. And of course, we again reiterated our concern about the security situation in Kosovo and warned strongly against any attempts to coerce the Serbs in Kosovo who might want to challenge the unilateral declaration of independence in doing something they otherwise would not want to do. So this is...
What do you hope to achieve, sir?
NATO issued an ultimatum to the Serbs. They had 10 days to withdraw their heavy weapons from the hills around Sarajevo.
Srbi nikad nisu primali ultimatume ni od koga, niti prihvatali, pa neće ni u budući. I nema potrebe nama ultimatumi da se šalje.
Ne pravite razliku između ova dva?
Nije nama ultimatum nikakav postavljen.
I ja sam odbio ultimatum, jer je to bio put za dalja poniženja i za dalje iznuđivanje poteza od strane NATO pakta.
With 4 days of the ultimatum to run, John Major arrived in Moscow for a previously arranged summit. The Russians were furious about the NATO threat against their clients, the Serbs.
When the NATO ultimatum came, we were very worried that the whole thing could, the place could be blown apart.
Please wait a little bit, maybe 30 minutes, and after that I think we're going to have something to say.
Within hours, the special envoy was in the Bosnian Serb capital with a letter from the Russian president.
They read it aloud, and I could hear I could see the impression the whole thing produced when there was the letter of the Russian president, where he requested more that they do the right thing. Russia was asking them not to go into confrontation and to pull back, and as an assurance to them, we would be prepared to move our troops into the area.
Veoma brzo smo se saglasili. Meni je bilo vrlo važno što se predsjednik Jelcin umiješao. Bilo mi je vrlo važno da dođu ruske trupe.
On the last day of the ultimatum, columns of Russian troops moved in. Their presence in the areas around Sarajevo made a NATO strike all but impossible.
Very good.
The Serbs now complied and withdrew their heavy weapons.